Welcome to the next video of Adventures with John and Johnny. And we're trails again.
It's day 3 of trying to clear these trails.
We might make the trail big enough to fit this, which is going to be a big trail.
I'm going to try mounting the GoPro on the tractor. So I brought a mount. We'll see if it works. Otherwise, Johnny's got his GoPro, and we will be documenting the third day of cutting these trails.
Yep. So we got snacks and we got waters.
Yeah. Sparkling water for me. So this is where we're at. We got that thing down. So now I can finally fit the tractor with the brush hog back out of here. We created quite a trail with our excess logs. This is going to be a future just firewood.
Yeah.
So when we have our Can-Am Defender, we can come pick it up.
Yeah.
And bring it to the fire. And viewer discretion, I might be taking off my shirt because I'm already sweating through it.
Yeah. Same.
So PG-13 only. So I'm gonna cut that vine to get it out of the way. You're gonna move this logs or these this wood pile here and put it on that.
Yep.
So I can back the tractor up into here and then hopefully swing it so I can hit that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, it should be able to. It's got, what, 60 horsepower?
Yeah.
So it should be able to push over that. So we're not going to be able to back in here because it's too tiny. So we're going to take the tractor. We're going to back it out towards the shop. We're going to turn around at the shop. And then we're going to go back in here and crush that. So new idea. Here we go. Wow! Woohoo! Yes! Oh! Well, yeah! It's out! So we're moving forward. Give me a tour. So this is like the foundation for your castle, right here. Yes. So this is where Gia's castle will be. She'll clear out all this. This will be her entire driveway. Probably. I don't. I just have calluses.
To make my gloves. Make a castle. Clear all this out to make a castle.
Look at how rotten this is. Barely even pulling. And it just came on.
You just make a pile and go and get our side-by-side with the firewood.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah!
Watch out, guys.
Alright, we're cutting this. How is that not? No.
Mom, there was a bee kicking me.
Uh-oh.
It'll end. And then it'll free it up.
Whoa, whoa! There it goes. Now do the rest of it. Explain what we found.
So I was like this.
got it, Mom.
Ready?
You did a bodybuilding show. You can do this. Oh,
Here, Mel.
there we go.
Yes. Do these one at a time.
Come on, Dad.
Dad got it.
Come on, Mommy. Come on, Daddy.
Ah.
Look out. You got it, Mom.
Here, cut it with the lobster. Where the lobster?
Got it.
Hey, is it gonna rain?
All right. Watch this.
Hold on. Wait.
Some of you.
Oh. Ah. Careful.
Just watch out. I'm gonna brush hog, all right?
Stay that way, okay? Watch out, Johnny. I gotta turn this chainsaw on.
Hmm. Cut it lower.
What did you say?
Look at it.
I found this thing. Fly, fly, fly.
Whoa, that was awesome. It's coming.
That guy, whole tree coming.
All right, Daddy's gonna cut.
All right.
Where is she? Oh, come on, baby, over here.
Come on.
Whoa.
This is the worst part right here. I'm probably gonna have to chainsaw all these.
Hey, everybody. You gotta watch me do something real quick.
She is. Jenna, did you turn it on?
Yeah.
You turned on his GoPro? He told you not to.
We're at the last stretch.
and your hitch. Right underneath you.
What?
It's right underneath it. Chain come off. I just keep going.
Start turning. You can hit all that. There's nothing big. You're good.
All right. Don't lose, Johnny. Don't forget my tools, okay? Well, yeah. Yeah.